Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a jam-packed update for you on big tech earnings, a crucial Fed meeting, and Trump's first full week back in office. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk market context. The S&P 500 had its best first 4 trading days under a new president since Reagan in 1985, rising over 2.8% in Trump's first week back in office. The Nasdaq did even better, gaining over 3.1%. What a start. Now, Trump's influence on the market has been significant. His initial actions, like avoiding immediate tariff hikes, really eased investor concerns. And his announcement of a $500 billion Stargate initiative for AI infrastructure. That sent tech stocks like Oracle, SoftBank, Microsoft, and Nvidia soaring. But we can't talk markets without mentioning the Federal Reserve. Their monetary policy decision is expected this Wednesday. While no interest rate changes are anticipated, everyone's keen to hear Fed Chair Powell's comments, especially with Trump publicly calling for rate cuts. Interesting times ahead. Speaking of economic indicators, we've got some key data releasing this week. On Thursday, we get the first estimate of Q4 2024 GDP, expected at 2.6% annualized growth, a bit down from 3.1% in Q3. And on Friday, watch out for the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, with the core PCE projected at 2.8% year-over-year for December. Lots to keep an eye on. But here's the big one. Big tech earnings. Over 100 S&P 500 companies, including giants like Meta, Microsoft, Apple, and Tesla, are reporting this week. Wednesday's the busiest day, so mark your calendars. The Magnificent 7 tech stocks are predicted to drive significant earnings growth, around 21.7% in Q4. This is compared to other tech companies at 9.7%. While this disparity might narrow in 2025, big tech is still expected to be a major earnings driver. Other notable companies reporting this week include Starbucks, Exxon, Chevron, AT&T, Boeing, and General Motors. It's a massive week for earnings, folks. So there you have it, a whirlwind week in finance with big tech earnings, a key Fed meeting, and Trump's first full week back in office. Make sure to keep an eye on those economic indicators and earnings reports. And as always, if you found this update helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more updates, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.